ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello, listeners. This is your RJ Nikita, and I welcome you all to Anubhav Joint Project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale's Medical Trust. Project convinced by Dr. Sudhir, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinator Pooja Marura, Sai Sudha Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Toll-Free number 14567. Elders or any one behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions and queries. And support to elders. Now Miss Ruby is going to talk about her native place, Mangalore. Over to you, Miss Ruby.
I come from Mangalore, a coastal place on the western coast of India, southern western coast of India. It is called by different names. Mangalore is the name we are familiar with. Mangaluru is the local word used by the local people. It is said it is in the language called Kannada, which is a local language spoken. It is also called Kudla. Kudla means also Mangaluru, which is said by the Tulu speaking people. Tulu is another language spoken there. And nowadays there's a little bit of Malayalam spoken among the merchants and selling class people because we are very close to Kerala. Yeah, it's only a hop, skip and jump from Mangalore to Kerala. And we are all by the Mangalore is entirely by the coastline, and it's a lovely, lovely place to live in. Healthy, nice, cooperative people, and all kinds of cuisines. There are people of different religions practicing without fear. There are what they call as following the Hindu religion, the Muslims, the Christians, and all other kinds of religions also we find nowadays. The Parsis, they were there at one time. And so it is kind of all type of people living together in harmony. And we will have one neighbor by the side who's a non-Christian, following Hindu religion and speaking Tulu. And we'll be going to their house and eating their food. And on their festival days, we have to go to their place and enjoy their festivities. And to the next neighbor who will be speaking, let's say Malayalam or any other language. We'll try to learn that and at least pick up some kind of words from there. And we go to their place for Onam, which is the Malayalam festival. Then there will be somebody behind a Muslim family. So they speak Hindi or Urdu. We don't know. We speak mixture of some of us. We'll be speaking, our friend will be speaking half Urdu and not knowing what language it is. But we get along very well in Mangalore. And that is the beauty of Mangalore. And it is a place full of coconut trees, which is something very special to the coastline. And we people cannot do without coconut in our cuisine. Very many people are multi-cuisine people who have all kinds of food. We may go to the Muslim festival to their house and enjoy the biryani, and they may come to our house in our festival day and eat some nice chicken curry. And we'll go to the Malayali house and eat something like what you call that is all kinds of vegetables put together, or puttu, or whatever they call it.
Poriyal.
Yeah. I don't know what, all kinds of vegetables, something. Anyway. So, and there are all the people, nobody bothers about languages because everybody knows all the languages. And we live in harmony in Mangalore. That's why I love it. Enough? Ready?
Yes, ready.
This can be sung by rounds, they're called that.
Okay.
Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Perfect posture, perfect posture. Do not slump, do not slump. That's the way, be healthy, that's the way, be healthy. Mind your hump, mind your hump.
Thank you, Miss Ruby. Listeners, I hope you too liked it. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for such nice program. Government of India has initiated elders toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions and queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.